Ever wondered what it's like to stay in a container home surrounded by raw, untouched nature? Today, we're taking you on a journey through Costa Rica. Hidden beaches, majestic waterfalls, and local culture await. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're Ali and Sherry, and today is day 6 of our epic Costa Rican road trip. This time, we're diving into a full day of adventure in Uvita, Costa Rica, a place that truly feels like paradise. From serene hidden beaches to the jaw-dropping Nauyaca Waterfall Nature Park, today's journey is packed with unforgettable moments. Make sure you stick around till the end to see some of the goodies we discover along the way. You won't want to miss it. But before we jump into today's adventure, here's a quick sneak peek at what's in store for the full 7-day journey. Welcome to our 7-day Costa Rican road trip series. Over the next week, we'll take you on an adventure through stunning beaches, hidden hot springs, and vibrant local food spots you won't want to miss. Discover the best local eats, from delicious gallo pinto to fresh fruits by the coast. We're diving into Costa Rican culture, one bite at a time. We're soaking in natural hot springs, exploring hidden jungle gems, and finding breathtaking spots you won't see on just any travel vlog. And the wildlife, it's incredible. From sloths hanging out in the trees to whales and dolphins along the coastline, and even hermit crabs, Costa Rica is bursting with biodiversity. I've spent hours researching, talking with locals, navigating the scenic routes, and unearthing all the secrets to make this road trip truly unforgettable. So buckle up and get ready. Each episode is packed with tips and hidden spots to inspire your own Costa Rican adventure. Make sure to subscribe and follow along so you don't miss a single moment. Costa Rica has it all. Hidden gems, breathtaking landscapes, and experiences you'll remember forever. Let's get started. Costa Rica's natural beauty comes with its challenges. The roads around our stay are still undeveloped, and when it rains, those potholes can turn into mini lakes. But if you can brave the journey, you'll uncover some of the country's most incredible hidden gems. This morning, we're kicking things off at a unique Airbnb, a container home. It's our first time staying in one, and honestly, it's such a cool experience. Container homes are becoming a popular, sustainable living option worldwide. They're built using repurposed shipping containers, which makes them eco-friendly, cost-effective, and surprisingly stylish. This one is nestled in the middle of nature, giving us those minimalist jungle vibes, but with all the comforts we need. Stay tuned, because today we're diving into a full day of adventure in Uvita, Costa Rica. From the serene Dominicalito Beach to the breathtaking Nauyaca Waterfall Nature Park, it's going to be an unforgettable journey. And if you stick around till the end, you'll see some of the goodies we find along the way. Let's go.
En 300 metros, haz un giro en U en calle Punta Dominicalito.
Our first stop was Dominicalito Beach, a peaceful cove near the lively town of Dominical. Did you know this beach is a favorite among locals for its calm waves and easy access? It's also a great spot to see fishermen at work or just relax under the shade of palm trees.
Hey guys, we're out here today. This is one of the local beach, Dominicalito. You see they have small waves, and yesterday our Airbnb host was teaching a surf lesson to the kids in here, and these are like small waves, you see? It's very gentle, it's very nice. Beach is nice too. Today is super hot, humid, and sunny. I think it's the first sunny, like super sunny day that we had while we're in Costa Rica this week. We have something over here.
Fishing and surfing life. Check it out, you got a surfboard in the fishing boat. That's what I'm talking about. You never know when you want to catch a good wave.
You think they catch it? That's not. I think they're just organizing the nets.
From there, we drove to a stunning scenic viewpoint, followed by a quick detour to watch a lively local soccer match.
Guys, you gotta check out the view from this place. We're at a little bit of an elevation and it gives us a very beautiful vantage point to check out the ocean. Come, let's check it out together, guys. They actually have a restaurant up here. They have cabanas back there with beautiful ocean views. Can you imagine staying here and having this view? Listen to the waves, beautiful. I see surfers out there, way out there.
Hunger kicked in, so we stopped at the nature store for our favorite chicken burrito. Trust us, it's a must try if you're in Uvita. The highlight of our day was heading to the famous Nauyaca Waterfall Nature Park. This park is home to one of Costa Rica's most iconic waterfalls, with cascading water plunging 60 meters, almost 200 feet, into a crystal clear pool below. The hike to the falls is about 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles and takes you through lush green rainforest paths teeming with wildlife and unique flora. Pro tip, wear sturdy shoes and pack plenty of water for your journey.
Hey guys, we are headed to a very exciting place. It's a national Nauyaca Waterfall Park, nature park. It takes 45 minutes to get there, but we opted to go with a truck. So here we go.
Vida. Super steep. Oh, just here.
Yes, you cannot take the car.
Oh, it's privately owned. That's why. Look at the road.
Space is required.
Well, they didn't promise you Sloth.
I know. Stepsister's stuck in the dryer again.
No.
She got stuck.
Oh,
Thanks. You got saved. Alright, gracias. ¿Dónde está Waterfalls?
Where are we? Oh, you are here. Oh no, you have to go down and then walk to the waterfall. Not bad. You want to fly there? Fastest. Shall we begin this journey?
They said Upper Falls.
Oh, you have to go Upper Fall.
Alright guys, the truck just dropped us off. We gotta walk from here. We're headed to the waterfalls. Remember, don't swim in the lower waterfalls, only the upper ones. The lower ones are very deep and they have a strong current. Este dia. Oi. Right, oi?
Oi.
Not este dia.
Sunflower. It's night maintenance in the park.
Look how pretty it is.
Yeah.
Good maintenance, and also they label everything. You notice that?
Yeah.
Lemongrass.
Cool. Oh, lemongrass. It's good. No smell? There is smell. Oh, there's this thing.
Yeah, the booby poisonous booby fruit. Nipple fruit. All nipples are poisonous.
Guys, black pepper. I didn't know pepper grows on trees. Maybe I do. Look, this is how it looks. And there's so many. Let me walk around this garden. Coffee beans? It's coffee. Vanilla. Oh, this is vanilla. Look, this is the fruits for Chinese New Year. Cute. Wow, there's so many. This is vanilla. More coffee beans. What is this coffee? Like, what do you do with it? Coffee? This is how you make coffee? We should join a coffee tour. Oh wow, more upper. Look. Waterfall this way. La la la. What is this? Costa Rican guava. Cass. Oh, that's what it's for. Some wings here. Oh, another plant. Oh, that's why he said to the left.
It's yummy, like candy.
We're walking down to the waterfall, and oh, this is upper. Let's do upper one first, right? We're walking down to a waterfall today. Nauyaca waterfall. It's super low season, that's why there isn't many tourists here. Let's see. Wow, it's huge. This waterfall is huge. Take a look. Because it's so huge, you can't even see anything.
When we reached the falls, the view was absolutely breathtaking. We couldn't resist celebrating the moment with a bachata dance at the Scenic Viewpoint.
Con los 5 sentidos bien puestos, sin emborracharnos hacemos lo nuestro, sin necesidad de abusar de sustancias. Qué sensación más pura, tocar esa cintura y hacer que tu piel suba la temperatura.
Afterward, we swam in the tranquil upper falls before dipping into the lower falls, where the current was strong and the pools were deep. It was pure magic.
Guys, this waterfall is incredible. Look at this. And we swam in that little pond there. It's so worth it. Look at this view.
The hike back was just as enchanting with vibrant fruit trees like mangosteen and rambutan lining the path.
I asked the girl where she's from and she said she's from Mangostan. I said, well, is your family the mangosteen family? She said, yes, that's us. Guys, you know how we've been eating those Mama Chinos? It's actually Mamón Chino and it's called rambutan in English. I didn't know that. Well, maybe I did, but they're not the same in Canada, that's for sure.
We're swinging in this hammock. What is this called? Hammock? That's all? Swing. A swing-a-ding-ding?
Yeah, exactly.
Alright.
At the waiting area, we hung out on swings and even spotted a sloth relaxing high up in the trees. A true Costa Rican moment.
Sleeping sloth.
Yeah, but you didn't. Oh, on the edge. Baby girl, she's living on the edge. You wanted adventure tours, you got adventure tours. I'm gonna protect you, okay? If you fall, we'll make sure we come back. The struggle is real, boys and girls.
On our way back to the
Your Vida
clubhouse,
lifestyle.
we stopped by a mamanchino tree to grab some fresh fruits. What an adventure. These mamanchinos were a little sour, but we were still really thrilled to get some fresh fruit right off the tree.
Shall we knock them?
Yeah, go. Well, you don't have to knock it. Hey, don't waste them. Let's get it from the bag.
Alright, you grab it. Here you go. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Get like 2 pounds. 2 kilos.
I don't have a bag.
You have a bag. Okay, put them in my pocket.
This is too funny.
Quickly, as many as you can. I'm gonna grab some too. Just fill up the bag. So you eat them later, fill the bag. Focus on the mission. This is money heist. You know what money heist is? This is a holdup. Give me all your mamachinos. The fresher the better.
He's so chill.
These kids are the best. Oh. Look at those ones, baby. You want a stick?
That's why salad is.
Okay. Can I get you?
But
Here,
look,
you
those
hold
ones
this.
are amazing.
I'll grab them. Ready?
But it's gonna fall though. Look at how much we got. Oh my god. Wait, they're all like.
These are ramen. They're good ones. Fresh as ever.
Hey! Here, this whole bunch. Oh, it looks bad, right? That's enough, I don't want those. Oh, look at those Chinos go bad. The black ones. It's enough, it's enough. Where are you throwing these at?
You want to hit them?
This is back now.
Alright.
Let's go.
We're done. Yeah. The goods. Money heists. Make it back to Canada for free. We're gonna take half, we figure out which half I'll meet you in Spain. Vida. Hey, sharing is caring. Sour though. We'll take it. It's like candy. Are you fully grown? Prove it. Guys, when's the last time you've seen a Land Rover like this? I don't know what year it is, but it's so badass. The thing that I love about it, one, it's 2 doors, and then it has the back door, and you have access to 4 more seats in the back. Look at that. Oh, how cool is this? Man, this looks like fun. And you have storage up top. Wow, it's manual transmission. So cool. Look at the little step here to get up. Love it.
Gracias.
After the hike, on the way back, we stopped at a local restaurant to recharge. We grabbed a pina colada and arroz con pollo, then hit up the local supermarket for fresh fruit and a bit of fun.
¿Solo este? ¿No es con verduras?
No, solamente ese tenemos.
Ah, ok.
Pero también tengo otro que es algo parecido a este por si gusta probarlo.
Ok. No, me gusta este chile picante, ¿tú sabes?
Panameño.
Con verduras dentro.
No.
No? Ok. No, ok. Gracias.
Guys, you cannot come to a Latin American country and not enjoy a pina colada. So, this is you're enjoying a pina colada in a Latin country. Cheers. Actually really good. Boys and girls, I'm going to show you the chocolate police. The chocolate police is always here, and it's in this aisle right here. Chocolate police. You see her? She's guarding the chocolate like a hawk. No one can steal the chocolate. Vegan ice cream. Look at this. And of course, we stocked up on sweet Mamón Chinos to end the day on a delicious note. Yeah, your last hit. Just buy out everything he's selling. Red? You want some empty bags or no? Gracias, amigo. We got the goods.
Party!
Last night in Uvita. Before we wrap up, here are some tips for visiting Uvita. Number 1, transportation. Rent a 4x4 vehicle. Many roads are steep and unpaved. Number 2, packing essentials. Bring bug spray, sunscreen, and sturdy shoes for hiking. Number 3, timing. Visit ideally between December and April for the best weather, but remember there's going to be more people at that time. And don't miss the Whaletail Beach at low tide. Number 4, local eats. Try the fresh seafood and traditional dishes like Arroz con Pollo or Casado at the local sodas. Don't just go to the tourist restaurants. And that's it for today's adventure. From Dominicalito Beach to Nauyaca Waterfall Nature Park, Costa Rica's beauty is unmatched. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, Pura Vida!